A term often heard in the context of natural gas is consumption characteristic, or characteristic for short. But what is this characteristic? Officially, heating temperature-based consumption distribution. In essence, it's temperature-based consumption. The basic idea is simple. The colder it is, the more the heating can be turned up. In practice, it means that for a given time period, it is the outside temperature which determines how the available amount of natural gas is distributed throughout that period. How exactly? Well, let's have a closer look. Above a certain temperature, the heating is not turned on because it's not cold enough. It is only required if the temperature drops below this threshold. During excessively cold periods, a significant portion of the available gas can be used for heating. For average cold times, average amounts of gas are rationed. If the weather is somewhat chilly, but not that cold, only a small amount of gas can be burned. As soon as the outside temperature reaches the threshold, heating is not required anymore. As a matter of fact, during summer heat, it's rather air conditioning that's desired, but definitely not heating. As the weather starts to cool down in the remaining period, the remaining amount of gas, just like before, gets distributed based on the outside temperature. For a period of 1 year, distributing a total of 1729 cubic meters in such a way gives the consumption characteristic. Based on this characteristic, it can be determined how much of the yearly gas ration is assigned to a given period of time. To do this, the start and the end of the period should be entered first. Then the type of natural gas consumption should be selected: heating only or mixed, i.e., heating, warm water, cooking. The result, shown in cubic meters, appears on the graph next to the consumption characteristic. The given period is yellow, the rest of the year is blue, both on this graph and on the consumption characteristic. Details appear automatically above the interactive graphs. The daily breakdown can be better seen when zoomed in. The result can be saved as an image. To do this, the leftmost icon among those appearing in the upper right corner should be clicked. The link to the characteristic is shown in the description of the video.